Why cucumber mint water is great for hydration.
Cucumber mint water is a simple and refreshing way to encourage better hydration. The combination of cucumber and mint delivers a crisp, clean taste that makes drinking water more enjoyable. Staying hydrated supports digestion, improves skin health, and helps maintain energy throughout the day. Infused water like this encourages you to drink more, making it easier to meet your daily hydration goals.
Choosing your ingredients.
To make cucumber mint water, start with fresh, high-quality ingredients. Choose a firm cucumber with vibrant green skin, and opt for fresh mint leaves with no wilting or browning. If possible, use filtered or spring water for the cleanest taste. Organic produce is a great option, but thoroughly washing your ingredients is always important.
Step-by-step preparation.
Begin by washing the cucumber and mint leaves thoroughly. Slice the cucumber into thin rounds. About half of a medium cucumber works well for a pitcher. Add a small handful of mint leaves, slightly crushing them between your fingers to release flavor. Place both into a pitcher and fill it with about 1 liter of cold water.
Letting the flavors infuse.
Allow your cucumber and mint water to sit in the refrigerator for at least 1 to 2 hours before drinking. This infusion time helps the natural flavors blend into the water, making each sip more refreshing. For a stronger taste, let it sit overnight. Refresh with additional water as needed, and replace ingredients every 24 hours for best quality.
Tips for enjoying and customizing.
Add ice cubes just before serving for an extra chill. You can also experiment with other ingredients, like adding lemon or lime slices for a citrus boost, or a few berries for natural sweetness. Keeping a pitcher ready in your refrigerator makes it easy to choose hydration throughout your day. Enjoy the benefits of delicious, naturally flavored water.